Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. On this video I will be reviewing a couple of waxing kits from Tress Wellness. As you can see here, I have 3 different boxes, so I'll be showing you guys the full body dash Brazilian wax kit, the face wax kit, and the men's body wax kit. So the first kit that I'm going to be showing you guys is for the bikini area, Brazilian area, underarms, and like the complete any body part on a woman. So they have peppermint wax beads, they have zesty lemon, I think this is eucalyptus, yeah. They have the eucalyptus wax beads, lavender, and they have one more pack of wax beads. I'm not sure what this one was. Tea tree. Yeah, tea tree. So as you can see, it comes with a lot of different waxes. It comes with the large wax sticks and a pack of small wax sticks. It also comes with pre-wax cleanser and after wax spray. And it comes with the amazing wax pot. By the way, all of those waxes that I showed y'all are hard wax, so you don't need a strip of paper or anything like that to peel this wax off. So y'all, in the box you will find a thank you letter, a collar for your wax pot. It also comes with a little pamphlet to show y'all the other wax pots that they offer. And they come with a 2-year warranty card. So y'all keep that in case you need it. I love the color of this wax pot. And I love the little waves at the bottom. I don't know if it's waves or wind, but whatever it is pretty. Oh, y'all, those are the spray nozzles for the pre and post wax spray. It also comes with a wax pot holder. So you pour the beads into that little pot right there. Put the top on and plug it up and let them heat up. I do have other videos with this company's wax pots and wax beads demonstrating how you heat up the wax. So if y'all want to see how you heat up the actual wax beads, check out that video. It's on my page as well. I just love this color. So you guys, we are moving on to the next wax kit. And I believe this is the face wax kit, y'all. As y'all can see, it comes with a variety of hard wax beads as well. Yes. Tea tree, eucalyptus, lemon, and let's see if I can remember. Tea tree, eucalyptus, lemon, lavender. Oh my gosh, maybe by the next kit I'll remember. But yes, as y'all can see, the face wax kit comes with a variety of wax beads as well, and it also comes with your pre and post wax spray. And it comes with the large application sticks, and it also comes with a pack of small application sticks. Y'all, they have the complete setup for y'all to start waxing in these boxes. So y'all don't have to go put a little kit together. They have the whole kit for y'all. And yes, the face kit has a 2-year warranty. It has the pamphlet, and it also has a thank you card. And it also has like a little demonstration packet. It says wax like a pro waxing at home. Yeah, so y'all can watch that. I'm pretty sure it's a video link or something on there to show you how to wax like a pro, or it gives you some tips on how to wax at home. And there's the spray nozzles, and y'all, these pots are just so pretty. This one is like a sky blue and a blush pink. And it comes with the pot to pour your wax beads in and a blue top. And you just plug it up and let the pot heat up as well. Look how pretty they are. These are a must-have, y'all. I'm going to put the link to these pots in my description so that you guys can try them out and let me know how you like them. Now, this is the last waxing kit that I'm going to review today. And this is going to be a light pink pot, and it's the Men Body Wax Kit. As you can see, it comes with a variety of wax beads. You have the eucalyptus, the lavender, the tea tree. Oh, no, that's peppermint. Peppermint, the lemon. Is this tea tree? Oh, no. What did that say? I have to rewind this video because I don't think that one said tea tree, y'all. Let me see. Okay, y'all, it definitely said tea tree. But yes, you will get your sticks in this wax kit as well. You'll also get your pre and post wax spray. And you'll get a pot, and there will be the spray nozzles inside of your pot. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. When I was opening these boxes, I was like, so they sent the little spray bottles, but they didn't have the nozzle that goes in the spray bottle. I guess I have to pour them out. But nope. Once you open up your pot, you'll actually see the spray nozzles inside. And this one has the Wax Like a Pro pamphlet up in there as well. And it has the collar. And it also comes with the warranty card and a thank you card. And this is the light pink pot. This pot is for waxing on men. Or should I say the wax beads in this pot is more dedicated to men. And there goes those spray nozzles. Y'all, I am in love. Like, I'm so glad that they chose me to review these pots because I actually get to keep these 3 pots. And I have 4 altogether, y'all. So I love this pot for, I have one at home for if I'm at home and I need to do a quick wax on myself. If I'm teaching a class and I want to give one of my students like a little wax pot to start off with, I will use one of these. So you guys check out Tress Wellness. I will put all of the links below. These pots are absolutely beautiful. They are lightweight, and it comes with the complete kit to start waxing. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.